Hey there YouTube, Darrell Hammond here. DarrellHammond.com is my website. Go ahead and go there, check it out when you get a chance. But right now you're going to want to stick around and take a gander at this new product being launched. It's called Lez Bankz. And well, if you're interested in affiliate marketing, then this product is right up your alley. And if you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, this product is going to teach you all the ins and outs of doing that business model and creating a bunch of organic traffic and recurring income that will help bolster your business and build it to something that'll support you in the future. So let's go ahead and without further ado, let's take a look. Alright, so here we are on my bonus page. Now we will jump into the product here in a second, and we will get into some bonuses after that. But right now, the link to this bonus page is down in the description below this video. Go ahead and click on it. It's going to take you to this bonus page. Now on this bonus page, you see we have Jonah Armstrong's review video of this product. He is one of the primary launchers of this product, and you can see these big yellow buttons. This will take you to the sales page, and the sales page, which is right here, has a video sales letter and basically the ins and outs of what the product is and some income proof. Goes over the product, what it's all about. It's going to go over the bonuses. We'll jump into that here in a second. First, we're going to take a look inside the product. So let's not waste any more time. Let's go ahead and look and see what it is that you're going to get when you purchase via any of the links on this bonus page. So this is the dashboard of Lez Bankz. And so as you can see, there's an introduction video. That's from Jono. So besides the introduction, the rest of this product is presented by a Branson Tay. So I didn't know much about Branson Tay, but I guess he is a multiple six-figure affiliate, and he's quietly been raking in lots of money doing affiliate marketing. And I didn't really know much about him, so I checked out his YouTube channel, and as you can see, he has a ton of subscribers. And he has a lot of videos, he gets a lot of airplay, and I had never heard of him. Back to the members area, you're going to get a little lesson on the equation of money. You're going to get the proven business model, the 3 different types of affiliate products, which are basically physical goods, digital goods, and then reoccurring or software stuff that are a subscription item. And those are the items that you're going to get recurring income. And those are the ones that are going to build your business the best, because you know, with the physical product and just the digital training course stuff, you sell it, you get a commission, and that's it. But with the reoccurring items, what happens is when someone buys those things, they're billed monthly, and you're going to get a piece of that monthly income or that monthly payment that they pay for these products. And so then you don't only just get the initial income from the commission that you generate, you'll get a reoccurring monthly income from those monthly payments that those customers pay to have access to that stuff. So there's some more videos in here: the power of recurring commissions, how to find the products that pay recurring commission, and bonus ClickBank, Warrior, JV Zoo, some information about those 3 platforms, how to promote any affiliate offer. You got ultimate free traffic strategies, a little one about overcoming fear, and then module 6 is the meat and potatoes of this. You're going to get the overview, 8-step blueprint, how to choose a product, how to plan an outline, create videos, editing videos, setting up your YouTube channel, uploading YouTube, optimizing your videos, and promoting your videos. And if you haven't figured out by now, the technique that you're going to utilize to generate these reoccurring incomes is to create YouTube videos. And you don't necessarily have to show your face. You can do it without showing your face. but you're going to want to set up these review videos that promote these evergreen products. And by evergreen, I mean those recurring products that basically people will subscribe to, and it's not like, you know, here today, gone tomorrow. These are consistent products that people buy month in and month out, and you'll have an opportunity to get commission on these products for the long term. And a lot of these, you know, there's a lot of digital products out there that, you know, you basically sell them, you get the straight up commission, but, you know, they kind of, the fanfare dies out some. But on these recurring monthly type programs, you're going to be able to take advantage of the evergreen nature of these products and be able to promote these things. And so these review videos that you create for these products are basically going to live on YouTube. And so if you do it correctly and you can get these videos to rank, then when someone's interested in these, and a lot of times when someone's interested in these products that are already warmed up customers looking to purchase the product, and so if you can get in there and you can, you know, entice them with maybe some bonuses or earn their like and trust, then they might purchase through your links, and then you're going to get that recurring income. That's basically what this whole product is learning how to promote those evergreen offers, showing you a technique how to do it. The next level takes it up a next notch to generate even more income. Shows you how to integrate using GetResponse and ClickFunnels, and then there's a few bonuses that are available inside the product. So there you have it. That is Lez Bankz in a nutshell. It's a training program to show you how to create recurring income through affiliate marketing. So if you found this interesting, go ahead and click like. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to do a lot of other interesting videos, how-to stuff, a lot more review videos, and you will be notified if you ring that notification bell of the next video that I put up. And so let's see, what else do we got to cover? I think that's about it. Oh, let's get back to the bonus page, because that's what you're here for, is the bonuses. Like I said, you try to entice utilizing bonuses, and so if you present a good bonus, then they might be willing to purchase through your links. So let's go ahead and jump down to the bonuses real fast, and then we'll go over what the pricing is. So bonus number 1 is Jono's sharing the 70,000 secrets. So these bonuses are all thanks to Jono Armstrong. I'm a member of the Ministry of Freedom group. He allows us to use these bonuses and give them to you, our viewers, if you purchase from any of the links on this bonus page. And again, click on the link down in the description below. It'll take you to this bonus page where you can click on any of those big yellow buttons, go to the sales page, and pick up your copy of Lez Bankz today. Bonus number 2 is Jono's award-winning course to making money online. Bonus number 3 is access to Gemini license rights. Bonus number 4 is access to 0 to 124 hours. That bonus is only available the first 24 hours only. And then finally, bonus number 5 are all the vendor bonuses that are included in this product. And so let's take a look at what those are. We'll scroll a little bit further down the page here. So bonus number 1, well, looks like they haven't set them up yet. This product is going to launch here soon, so you're going to get 3 different bonuses, and what do you know, they're going to be mystery bonuses for now. Alright, so now we're going to jump on down to the pricing funnel, so you're going to see what you got to shell out to get a hold of this product. So here we are on the pricing funnel, and as you can see, Lez Bankz front end offer is $17, but there is a discount that we discovered on the sales page. One-time cost today is just $13. That's probably a launch discount, and what happens is if you act like you're going to close out of this page, most often a pop-up will appear, and it will offer you a instant discount or a coupon code of some sort or something or other to get you that lower cost of $13. So then there's upsell number 1, Lez Bankz DFY. It's $47. There's a $37 downsell. Act like you're gonna refuse that first offer, and this should come up as a secondary offer. The lower price, you'll save $10. So you'll get hand-picked selection of completely done-for-you funnels, premium offers, and promotional tools that aren't available in the front-end offer. This will make it even faster for anyone to be up, running, and in profit with practically no effort at all. Upsell number 2 is 4 times case studies plus 10 times traffic. That one's $97. There's a downsell of $67. You're going to get 4 powerful case studies walking you through the Lez Bankz product in action. Upsell number 3 is software automation bundle plus outsourcing suite. That is $197. There is a $97 downsell. This is a value-packed upgrade that allows you to completely automate your entire online operation. You will get free traffic app, paid traffic app, autoresponder, money page builder with hosting, squeeze page creator with hosting, and an email conversion suite. So I'm not exactly sure what all those products are that you're going to get in there, but they're going to help automate your whole entire process. Plus you're going to get a Rolodex with contact information for their best service providers so that you can outsource your business on full autopilot. Upsell number 4 is the Reseller Bundles license. It's $197 or $97 on the downsell. You're going to get reseller and developer rights to Lez Bankz. You're going to get Continuum Vanquish and JavaScript Commission Bot. These are 2-in-1 rights that give you your own turnkey digital business where you can make vendor profits without the hassles or cost of product creation. So there you go. That's everything you're going to get. So take advantage of that product and these amazing offers right now. And let's go over the bonuses again real fast. Bonus number 1 is Jono's sharing the 70,000 secrets. Bonus number 2 is Jono's award-winning course to making money online. Bonus number 3 is access to Gemini license rights. And then bonus number 4, access to 0 to 100 in 24 hours. That's available for the first 24 hours only. And then bonus number 5 are all the special vendor bonuses that are available from the vendor when you purchase. So take advantage of this offer. Click on these big yellow buttons and you'll find them on this bonus page. The link to this bonus page is in the description below. Click on it. It'll take you here. Click on this. It'll take you to the sales page where you can purchase this product and take advantage of all the useful information that they show you on how to make money as an affiliate marketer. My name's Darrell Hammond. Once again, I appreciate you guys stopping by. Go ahead and click like. Leave a comment below. Let me know where you're struggling. I will try to help you out. And once again, my website is darrellhammond.com. Go there when you get an opportunity. Peruse around. I've got a few things on there you might find interesting. So, that's it. That's all I got for you today. Again, I appreciate you stopping by. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell. Make sure you're made aware when I do post another useful video or a review video of a new product that is being launched. That's it, man. You guys have a great day. I'll see you later.
See ya.